So good evening, everyone. You're present here on our online. So let's talk
Good
in
evening,
English,
sir.
non-native English speakers.
Good evening, sir.
And from today, everything is new. Okay. Today we have started our free online English learning class, 0 to advanced level.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before that, I want to tell you, I sent you 2 emails.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
of that
Yes, sir.
timing problem, actually I got my laptop formatted. Got it?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Okay. And today I've also got my haircut.
yes.
It's
It's
nice,
military
sir.
cut.
Nice, sir.
Nice haircut.
So this is my natural hairstyle. Okay, short hair.
Good.
Okay.
Nice.
So actually I want to teach you one structure today. I got. That's why I started like that. So what I want to say today, we are going to start from 0 to advanced level. I got my laptop formatted or fixed or repaired. I got my
Yes, sir.
haircut. Okay. I get my car washed. I get my
Wow.
car repaired. So how many of you know this structure very well? I get or I got, then object, then
Sir, I know.
yeah. So Srivani,
I know,
can you
sir.
make 3 sentences? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Srivani, please make 3 sentences.
Yes, sir.
And Shanta madam will explain
Okay,
the
sir.
structure.
Okay, sir. So, I will get my printer repaired soon.
Okay.
That
Then
is the first.
yeah, 2 more
That is the
sentences.
first sentence.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, I will think and then I will tell.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. So Shanta madam, please explain the structures and make some sentences.
Sir, explanation.
No problem. Then
Good
make
evening,
3
sir. Good
sentences.
evening.
No problem. No problem. 3 sentences then. I will explain.
But okay. I have to remember. That's why I explanation is difficult to me. But I try to explain. This is I got and I get or whatever it is with get. Later we have to use object and then verb 3 we have to use.
Yeah.
This is the structure. My sentences are: I got my house painted. I got my car repaired. Already you said. I got my scooter repaired. Next, I got my daughter married.
Okay. So anybody wants to make sentence?
Okay,
That's
sir.
nice sentence. Really, very nice sentence. Okay, yeah. Srivani is ready with her sentences.
Yes, sir. So, could I explain it, please?
Yeah, you can also explain. No problem.
Okay, sir. So, there are many meanings for get. So there isn't only one meaning, but there are many meanings for get, and they are in my what my in my thought. It is receive, become, understand, bring, and then buy. I think these are the meanings of get in differences. So we can use get in these places. I'm going to tell the example. So to respond. So there is also a meaning for get, that is to respond. So I will then that is the phone is but I can't get it just now. So that is an example to respond. And then we have another meaning of get as by. So the example is, where did you get that t-shirt from? And then we have another example of get as receive. So we can say that I didn't get your message instead of receive. So we have placed get instead of receive. So we can say I didn't get your message. Then another meaning of get is become, and we can say that I am getting old, we can say, or why did you get angry? So that is the meaning of get in sense of become. And then we have understand, that sir has just told, that is did you get it? So that is understand. And then we have bring. So we can say, could you get me a drink please? If we go to any shop, we can say, could you get me a drink please? So I think in my view, these are the examples of I have studied it in my smaller classes. So I think so. That's all, sir. Thank you.
So Srivani has explained the different meaning of get, but today we are going to learn get with object plus V3. Okay. For example, this is my phone. Okay, but I don't know. Okay, sometimes our phone has some problem, but we cannot fix by ourselves. Then we have to go to the shop. Okay, then that person will repair. So we can say, oh, I have to go to market to get my phone repaired. To get my phone repaired. Okay, then I will get my phone repaired. I will get my. Okay, last Friday we did not have any meeting because my laptop was not working properly. So it is my pastime. So I went to market and I got my laptop fixed. I got my laptop repaired. I got my laptop formatted. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Many
sir.
people make mistakes here. They cannot use this type of structures easily.
Yes.
Okay. So now who wants to make sentences now? Ilarani, can you make 3 sentences by using same structure? I don't want meaning of get. Okay, now I want this structure. Yeah. Alok Jaina.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ilarani. Yes, Ilarani, then Alok Jaina.
Okay, sir. Get me. Okay. Actually, I am also thinking. Already, so many sentences I have made. So, I get a new dress, and I get a new mobile from my husband as a gift.
No, that get is means I will get. This is not rest structure. We are practicing today get plus object plus V3 past participle. That is our structure today.
Okay. Yes. So I will say after Alok Jaina, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Alok Jaina.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I have got 2 mails from the professor today. I can say this is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. And I got 2 pens from my company today.
Sorry, I got 2 pens. Okay, so that you are also giving the different meaning of get. Okay, we want this structure. Get plus object plus V3. Okay, let me explain. Okay, you can see my wall behind. Okay, it's white, and my wall needs paint. Got it? But I don't know how to paint it. Then I will hire one person.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then he will paint mine. But what I want to use object. I want, okay, sorry, I will get my wall painted. I will get my wall painted.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So that's why we are using V3 here.
That is future. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I will.
Sir,
That thing you can use
Sir.
future, no problem. But that one is, yeah, we'll get the object plus V3 is compulsory.
Sir, may I?
Yeah. Geeta madam, yeah.
I got to wash my cloth.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Very good.
I got prepared by my teacher.
Hmm.
We got taught by Guru.
Okay. So someone is doing that thing for you and you pay for it. For example, my wife doesn't wash his utensils. Okay. So she got or she gets all utensils washed. She gets utensils washed. Clothes also.
Vast.
Yeah, my wife gets daily. This is our daily routine. Okay. So my wife gets our clothes washed. Our clothes washed. So this is object. Then V3. Got it?
Yes, sir. Can I?
Yeah.
So I got some important papers of my folded in fold. I got baked biscuits from the jar.
Okay.
No.
You all are
Is
using
it
that, you are giving the different
May I,
meanings
sir?
of get. Yeah, Kalpana madam. Then Yogesh Mishra be ready.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I got written that letter. I got cleaned
No.
my room.
No.
I got my room clean, madam. I got that first. I
Am
got
I right, sir?
then my room, then clean,
I-
then object. Get, then object.
Okay.
Then
Yes,
V3.
sir. Yes, sir. I
Yes.
got my room cleaned.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I got my TV sold out.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's all. That's
I
all.
got. Okay, sir.
Sir, can I? Sir, can
Yeah.
I?
Yeah.
Sir, I get my hair trimmed.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. And sir, yeah. And I get my cycle repaired.
Perfect.
Yes.
Sir, I get my cloth ironed.
Perfect. Perfect.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, sir.
Very
Only
nice.
these 3 sentences.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow you all have to make 5 sentences in the beginning by using the structure.
yes.
That's all.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
That's over. That's
Okay,
over
sir.
for today. So let's start a simple topic, okay? So let's start very simple topic, and everybody knows to be. Sir, this is the ABC type of topic. Yes or no? But I want to give you a challenging task then by using to be.
Okay.
All are ready?
Okay.
Okay. So when
Yes,
we say
sir.
to be, then you can say to be present, to be past, and to be future. Got it? And they all are
Yes, sir.
auxiliary verbs. Yeah, Sujit Mishra, I'm sorry that topic is over and we have started new topic. That's why. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, Yogesh Mishra.
No, not for that. I am saying about the H2, M2 and WAS2.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, what do you want to say? Yeah.
Yes, actually, I want to tell then if the word is finished by na hai, nahi hai, like जैसे खाना बनाना है. I
Okay,
am to
sorry,
make
but
a
here we cannot
uh,
explain in Hindi, Yogesh Mishra, because we have some friends from South India. They don't
We
know
are learning
Hindi.
English,
Okay.
I'm just translating it. I'm just trying to say
No.
where to use
That
is to M2. In the where we will find something like.
Okay. I will come to you. Okay, I will give you little bit harder task. I know that everybody knows MEs are and what is this. That's why we all
Yes,
are
yes.
here in the platform. But I want you to practice little bit harder task. Okay.
Yes, okay.
People are thinking that, sir, it's a very simple topic, but I'm here to discuss something in advance. That's why today's our topic's name is, zero level to advanced level.
Advanced.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so to be present, everybody knows to be present. MEs are, to be past was and were, and to be future means will be. Got it?
Will. Yes.
But why we are using this all structures? Why we are learning this all structures? So very simple formula is, if you want to describe any present situation, if you want to describe any person, if you want to describe any place, if you want to describe anything, then you need to be present. For example, this is my phone. Okay, so I want to describe, this is my phone. So is that it is really nice and beautiful. It is really nice and beautiful phone. It is also a useful device. Got it? And it is a branded mobile. That's why it is an expensive. It is expensive thing. It is an expensive thing. Okay, so I have made 5 sentences by using only one thing. So can you describe any one thing by using MEs are, and I want more than 5 sentences. So topic is very simple, MEs are, sir. Everybody knows, I know MEs are, but now describe one thing by using MEs are. Any one thing. Who is ready first? I want more than 5 sentences by using MEs are. And you have to describe one thing.
May I try, sir?
Yes, madam.
Hello.
Yeah, then Prabhakar KG be ready after that.
May I try, sir?
Yes, madam. Kalpana, madam.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. This is my shirt. My shirt is printed. It is orange and white color. My shirt is the cloth. My shirt is of nylon. My shirt is very thin and it's beautiful.
Okay.
May I, sir?
Yeah.
I want to describe a pen.
Yeah.
This is my pen. This is my pen. This is a blue color pen. Every day I use this pen for writing. The color, the ink of this pen is blue, and the this is point pen.
Pointed pen.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it is made of plastic.
Yeah, it is made of plastic. Perfect.
Yeah. This pen is made by plastic.
Made of plastic.
And it is not an expensive phone. Expensive pen.
Yeah.
Yeah, Prabhakar. Yeah, Prabhakar.
Okay.
And Ravindra, be ready.
Good evening,
Prabhakar.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
Thank you for giving opportunity to me.
And thank you for joining
Today
us.
Today I am describing watch.
Yeah, perfect. Very nice.
This is watch made by a copper. Also was showing a good beautiful watch on my hand.
Okay.
It is square type.
Okay,
and
it's quite
in
tight.
the watch, square type in the watch, showing a date and day and timings.
Okay.
this is watch is not a belt watch. That much of, sir.
Okay. Now Ravindra Prayagaj. Ravindra Prayagaj,
Can
then I will give you a new
Okay,
task.
sir. Okay, sir. I'm.
may I-
I want to talk about the bottle. This is a bottle, and I'm very fond of bottle. And there are so many bottles. The bottles are of different colors. The bottles are made of plastics, and sometimes with the materials like metals. That's it, sir.
Okay,
This is
that's
an
all.
or
Okay, now I want to give you one more example how to describe a person by using am is are. Okay, so my dear friends, I would like to describe my favorite cricketer Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is not only a good cricketer, but he is also a good human being, and he is also known as the god of cricket in India. And he is an attacking batsman, he's an opening batsman, and he is not only famous in India but also in the world. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
can I?
Can I, sir?
Can I?
So you
I
can
want
use
to.
any character. Yeah, madam, Santa madam.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. I want to describe about you, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Mr. Prakash is a teacher. He is from Gujarat. He is running Weekend Institute. He is using this platform for teaching English. He is a genuine person and a philanthropist. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And now Neha Pandey. Yeah, Neha Pandey. She is a new speaker on our platform. Yeah, Neha Pandey. Can you describe any person?
And
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, you are audible. Yes, yes, you are audible.
yes, sir. Okay. So today I am new.
Ma'am, you can say
But
any
then
5
I
sentences.
see. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I see lot of episode on YouTube about you. I really like about your talking.
Okay, so she is a new speaker. I want to make some sentences about her. Neha Pandey is a new speaker. That's why she is afraid of speaking today. Yeah. Okay, so now Kirti Barai. Kirti Barai.
Thank you, sir. Give me to talk. Okay, I want to talk about Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand is one of the great personality throughout the world. He is a very wonderful person. He, yeah, I'll talk later.
Okay, that's all. Now Pankaj Udaipur, would you like to describe any person? Then Anu Delhi, be ready.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Good evening to all. I want to describe about Shivani. Okay.
Okay.
Shivani is very good girl. She is very polite, especially when she is talking, and she is very cute but not mute.
Excellent. She is very cute but not mute. Wow.
Yeah, and I like the way how Shivani is talking and
These are
speaking.
rhyming words.
She is very knowledgeable person also. She's very knowledgeable girl. That's it, sir.
That's wonderful. Now Anu Delhi. Then after that we are going to change one topic. Okay.
Sir, I will talk about myself.
Yeah.
I'm an Indian and I'm a man, and I am practicing English on your channel. And I'm also doing a job and that's it. These four
Okay.
sentences.
That's good. That's
Sir,
good.
I want.
Okay, now place. You all will get chance, but we want to change topic. We want variety. Okay, so one place.
Yes, sir.
Now you can choose any one place and describe. You can make more than 5 sentences. So we are learning uses of Amizar today. Now, who is ready to describe place?
Place.
Yeah, Keyur, Gujarat.
So I'll talk on Polo Forest. It is near my village. It is very it is very beautiful place. There are many Jain temples where I'm visiting that place. That place is very attractive. So we often love to visit that place. Thank you.
Okay. So Keyur is talking about Polo Forest, and that is the birthplace of me. Okay. I was born there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I
in
have seen your
Vijayanagar, yes.
videos.
Yeah, yes, I went there few days ago.
Yeah.
My
Polo
car
Forest
and
videos.
I and Polo Forest, yes, with my
Yeah.
family, yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now anybody else? Are you ready with place? Yeah, Kalpana madam. Yeah, Kalpana madam.
Yes,
Then Papia Saha. Okay, let's know about Tripura also. Papia is silent today. Yeah, Kalpana madam.
I will
Then Nageshwar. Sorry, I forgot Nageshwar today. Yeah, I want Nageshwar
Okay,
to
sir.
speak. Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, Kalpana
Hello.
madam, first.
Yes, sir.
Kolkata is
Yes, sir.
also
Okay,
there.
okay. I am Kalpana Pathak. I live in a farm, and there are so many trees. There is a park for children. It is a very beautiful place, and there is a greenery and very beautiful.
That's all.
May I, sir?
Five
Yeah,
sentences?
yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. Anu Delhi. Then Nageshwar Rao.
Again, thank you, sir. I will talk about Vaishno Devi. It is a religious place, and it is situated in on a hill. It is known for a devotee who are in Hindus, and people are fond of to visit there because of Mata Vaishno Devi. Am I correct, sir?
Yeah, okay. Fond of visiting that place. Okay, fond of visiting that place. Yeah, Nageshwar Rao.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bhadrachalam is my hometown. It is a famous temple. It is located at Godavari River. Sriram is shipping. It is 300 kilometers far away from Hyderabad.
Wonderful. Sheila madam. Then Rajkumar Jaiswal, be ready.
Sir, I may.
Yes.
Yeah, Rahul Gujarat also. Sorry. Oh, you all will get chance because we have enough time today. And one thing I want to tell you in advance, now we are practicing of Amizar, and in the second session we have a conversation, and today we are going to communicate on this. How do you feel today? Should we continue learning like this or not? That is our topic in the second session. And new speakers don't know, we always have two sessions here with same ID and password. So we will have a conversation on our today's experience. Is it clear? Yeah, Sheila
Yes, sir.
madam, Rajkumar Jaiswal,
Yeah.
then Rahul Gujarat also be ready.
Okay. Today I want to explain Pune place. Pune is a wonderful city in Maharashtra. Pune is a wonderful place in Maharashtra. Near to Pune, there is a Konkan area. This is very famous for in Pune. There is lots of places to visit. Pune is famous for Shaniwar Wada, as well as lots of forts. In Pune, near to Pune, there is lots of forts. For example, Raigad, Janjira, Purandar, etc. That's all.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful explanation. Yeah, next. Rahul Gujarat, then Rajkumar Jaiswal. Where is Papia now?
Hi, sir.
Papia wanted to speak, but where is
Yes, sir.
Papia now? Yeah, okay, I
Yes,
forgot.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I wanted to tell about my state, Tripura.
Yeah.
So Tripura is a small hilly state, and it is the third smallest state of India. And also, the natural beauty of Tripura is very pleasant. There are many historical places. Also, one of the states of Seven Sisters, and Tripura is famous for orange gardens, pineapple gardens, or plantation. Yeah, and there are many places like Ujjanta Palace, Nihal, and Unakoti. Yeah.
And
The
Dabru Lake,
nickname of Kolkata's
Dabru Lake, Papia?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah,
How?
Dambur.
Damru, okay, Damru. How many islands are there? Hello? Okay. Yeah, now Rahul Gujarat, then Rajkumar Jaiswal.
Here Kolkata city.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening, all participants. Today, describe my hometown. My hometown name is Disa. Disa city is in northern part of Gujarat. My city is famous of the potato. My city is on the National Highway 27. My city is near Banas River. And my city is not a big city, is a small city, about 60 to 1 lakhs population. Thank you, sir.
And his district is just next to my district, okay? We are neighboring districts.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Rajkumar.
Thank you, sir. The nickname of the Kolkata is City of Joy. I am from Kolkata.
Wow, great.
Definitely, that's why you are very joyful.
Yes, sir.
The world famous festival is here, Durga Puja. If you come to during the Dasahara, you will see lots of pandals. In Kolkata, our state's given the two famous, renowned person who got the Nobel Prize also, Abhijit Banerjee and Rabindranath Tagore. And we have the famous places like Howrah Bridge, Sundarban Delta, and in India, our state is famous for the highly density population state. We love the fast food. We are very famous for the sweet that's called Bengali fish. That is Bengali fish as well as Bengali sweet. That is all over the world famous. We are the very foodie people. We love the people. We love the food. We love the country. Thank you. Thank you for giving this chance to describe about my state.
Okay. Now anybody wants to speak because we have 4 minutes left.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, Ashok
sir, I want
Maurya.
to.
Then Ila Rani be
Yes,
ready.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I want to describe about the city Agra. And the Agra city is situated on the bank of Yamuna River, and Agra city has one of 7 wonders in the world heritage site, that is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. And Taj Mahal is a very wonderful place. Oh, sorry, Agra is a very wonderful place. Many tourists come from abroad as well as from different states of India to visit the beauty of Taj Mahal. So thank you.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful explanation. Yeah, Ila Rani.
Okay, thank you, sir. I want to say something about Times Square. So it's in New York, and everybody is like to go first to Times Square. I also visited there, but I have seen nothing there. But just you only see people around the world. So many people comes to there, and they took pictures, and you can see happiness. How people are smiling, and there are lots of people, nothing else, but there are so many lights, and the city, the place is very busy place. So many people are coming and going, that is a very beautiful place, but there is nothing to see anything, but just to sit in the middle of the road and see how people are coming and taking pictures and coming and going. But yes, that's a very beautiful place. So that's it, sir. Thank you.
Really wonderful session is going on, and I'm so happy. I hope you all are also happy with this session. And
Yes,
what
sir,
is
absolutely. We are very
yeah.
happy.
Yes, I have observed one common thing. We know good vocabulary, but we are not able to use our vocabulary here. Yes or no?
Yes,
We
sir.
can do
Yes,
better
sir.
than this
Yes,
one.
sir.
Yes, sir.
We can do better than this
Sir,
one.
Sir, I
Yes,
have
yes.
already sent you a video on that. That vocabulary can no more help us to speak in English, but I have sent you that that video, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So in the second session, we are going to study some new useful vocabulary also, how to describe a person today. And I'm also going to talk about the public speaking mental exercise. Okay, first you have to be mentally prepared. Then
It
you
would be
can make
good
up
for
a good
us.
speech.
Yes,
And
yes.
we have a conversation. So these three topics we are going to cover in the second session. So I hope you will enjoy a lot, and you will reconnect with us again, and you will share your experience. Today's experience. How did you find today's experience while learning? Okay. Before that, we just discuss on particular topic, but today we are discussing on one grammatical topic. We are trying to learn something new from others. Okay.
Thank
So
you, sir. Could I know something about Gujarat, sir?
let's have a commercial break, and see you after 5 minutes. Okay.
Sure,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
See you soon.
See you soon, sir, after
Thank you,
5
sir.
minutes.
Yeah,
Bye
see you
bye.
soon.